iya buriya tutitaye ku murongo wa telefone wari ukoresha yaba ari Airtel yaba ari MTN yaba ari wose urusha no gukura amayinite kuri MTN ugurira Airtel cyangwa Airtel ugurira MTN
burukuguze
cyangwa se ukanagura ukagabanyirizwa uko wari usanzwe ugura ariko ugakanda iki
gukanda
buretse utega amatwi neza wumve urebe ukuntu ugiye kujya ugabanirizwa mufate fone zanyu mbere gukuntu tuzajya tugura amayinite tukagabanirizwa
ibagirwa ibindi byo gukanda guhera none fata telefoni yawe ukande akanyenyeri 662 akanyenyeri 1 urwego ubone ibitangaza aho ushobora kugura umuriro amayinite ifatabuguzi rya Star Times ukagabanyirizwa burukuguze kanda akanyenyeri 662 akanyenyeri 1 urwego uranshimira nyuma ifashe easy and affordable for you
kadashya
aya basi tureba episode ya 3 yaragonzwe yamanuka yabaye ntago amakosa yari ayawe nari mfite kubikora uzi gute izina ryanjye nzi aho utuye nzi icyo ukora ngo ubeho nzi ko hari n'abantu bari kuguhiga umukobwa bahuye yararebye ku ishuri disi abantu bose bazi ko yapfuye abona akana kari kurira akana ndetse kamenye ko papa yanahamagaye mama kabigahisha kuki wambwiye ko papa atigeze ahamagara umugabo mu binyamakuru banditse ko yapfuye rest in peace umusaza umuntu wa mbere yahamagaye yabwiye ati niwe wenyine mama kina undi ndabibwira urebe uyu nawe cyakiye bafashe kigahita kirasa yaravuze ati uyu ntago ari umugabo wanjye ni cyari cyaribye imyirondoro y'umugabo we kiramwiyitirira
protection to get this stuff real, and that way I can just focus. I'll have protection around.
Rebe yatarajye kuri mugenzi wo mutunga imbunda ni kati. Hey, twabibonye byabaye yakambaniwe n'inshuti yari yize yimenyesha akakiri muzima. Inshuti ye nuko byagenze yasigaye mu nzira sibyo ya naho yasigaye gusa ajya kugenda yafashe telefone ye. Telefone buriya y'umuntu ibirimo ibintu byinshi katururi tangire hano kana kari gucuranga piano ni kakana kiba kita Ana abye nabo nabagome mwana yitwa Ana twikoreze filime kari gucuranga izagahinda bunderega n'indirimbo umuntu ari kumva bikwereka umurengwa asigaye afite n'umwijogotonyoro mu byo bintu ushobora kubirebera ku ndirimbo umuntu asigaye yumva Jano kana karakariye mama shaho basi wagerageje gucuranga ibindi bintu mwana wanjye basi mu rugo tube dufite ibintu byiza mwana ari gucuranga indirimbo z'agahinda kirano rwakumanze mukecuru cyo kureba rebe uyu ni madame wa Will Scott nabafasha
Scott, we're with the bureau.
Madame Scott duturutse muri FBI umugabo afite tatuwaje.
Will Scott is your husband?
Harya Will Scott si umugabo wawe?
My ex-husband.
Yahoze ari umugabo wanjye bari baratandukanye.
Attempted to make contact with you recently.
Mu minsi ishize yaberigeze guhamagarara kwiki
Dead.
yarapfuye ariko
He passed away a few days ago.
hashize iminsi mike apfuye mwakabaye mubizi ibaze n'abakora FBI.
I haven't noticed anything.
Ese nta kintu kidasanzwe waba umaze iminsi ubona ugakeka ushaka kuvuga iki?
You don't know, tried to get in touch with you.
Ese umugabo we ntabwo yigeze agerageza kukuvugisha cyangwa undi muntu wakuvugisha nyuma y'uko umugabo wapfuye?
Why?
Kubera iki ariko?
It happened?
Hari cyabaye?
There's nothing for you to worry about, ma'am.
Nta cyatuma uhangayika.
I do want to stress, however, that this matter is very important.
Ntabwo twashaka gutera stress ariko ikibazo cyari kibiteye n'ingenzi.
Information regarding your husband.
Nugira amakuru nayekeranye n'umugabo wawe.
People that he was spending
aho yabari
days leading up
cyangwa abantu yabanaga nabo bya hafi watumenyesha.
Will and I divorced 4 months ago.
Maze amezi ntandukanye n'umugabo wanjye.
We've had since was during custody exchange of our daughter.
Duhamagarana yagiye kuma umukobwa wanjye cyangwa nka mu muhango babirirwane.
Think of anything suspicious, please let us know.
We nugira icyo ubona ukeka cye kuzatumenyesha.
How will I get a hold of you?
None se nzabahamagara kuki ko mutansikiye nimero zanyu. Twe dufite izawe humura nyagasani. Abagabo bacishene yarumirwa gusa kana kumvirizaga kana gacaho kaza kwicara hano mama arumiwe abantu baje kumubaza ngo bakorera FBI kandi bamubaza ko umugabo yapfuye ngo ntabwo muherukana iki niki kandi nta muntu utabizi ko umugabo yapfuye nuko dutangiye episode ya 3 mwibutsa izi filmu zisanga ku gasobanuye.Jumongo.Bridal yeah bimeze bite rebe umugabo aracyazerera umugina n'uyu munsi nta muntu umwe afite wo kwizera gusa aho twasigiye mwahabonye ndetse izi filmu ukeneye kuzamamazaho uhamagara ku cyiciro gikuru cy'agasobanuye bakita Rock Entertainment 0785688331 sibyo cyangwa mukatwandikira ku mbuga nkoranyambaga zacu ababishinzwe bwombi iki niki baragusubiza katurore yeah kudutangi bakize Cypher mugabo ari hano rebe fata dunia yo tuceceke nishimiye ko ndi ibitekerezo yamugarukiye.
To be honest with you, I didn't really have a choice.
I didn't
come back because I trust you. I'm here because you're the only one left.
Got you.
All right.
Sawa.
I'm listening.
No, ndakumva.
What do you want to know?
Urashaka kumenya iki? Wa mukobwa.
Tell me everything.
Kira buri kimwe.
Well, I don't know everything, but I'll tell you what I know.
Ntago nzi byose ariko ndakubwira ibyo nzi. Wumve?
Okay.
Nyene.
I've been after this document for a while.
Iyo document bamaze igihe kinini nyibaza.
Who are they?
Ese ni bande?
They want.
Barashaka icyo bayibazaga.
Who are the targets?
Ibipimo biri kuri iyo document ni byande.
What is the end game?
Ese uyu mukino uzarangirira he?
And these people that are listed on
abantu bari kuri iyo document
implicated in this whole scheme?
Ese bose bari muri iki kibazo cyangwa nabo kwicwa cyane bo bazica?
What have they done to be sorry?
Ese bari kuri iyo liste bakoze iki barabashakira iki? Gusa ikiruta byose.
Who are the people behind all?
Abari inyuma yabyo byose none ni bandi.
That sounds like a lot of questions.
Ndumva mbaje ibibazo byinshi kuri nge.
What about answers you have any?
Ese hari igisubizo na kimwe ufite?
I'm working on it.
Ndi kubikoraho. Yayisomera kuri dunia yote.
Thought that I was getting close to solving a part of this mystery. You suddenly showed up.
Ubwo numvaga ngiye gukemura ibintu byose nagiye kubona mbona nawe uraje.
Nothing's been the same since.
Ibintu bita byivanga ntabyo ngiye kumira kimwe.
How did you find me?
Wamenye gutahonde?
I was following a lead and
hari umuntu nari nkurikiye nawe nsanga wagezeyo. Hehe?
Philip Washington.
Nari nkurikiye utwa Philip Washington. Uramwibuka?
I was there.
Nari mpari.
It was me who called the police.
Ninjye wamagaye polisi.
You were supposedly dead.
Ubwo bashakaga kupfa.
I am dead.
Narapfuye ariko n'ubundi.
Did you happen to get a glimpse of them?
Abane igishinge urabonye se wa munsi mutera igishinge umukobwa yarahari.
By the time I got there,
ubwo nahageraga umurambo wawe bari kupakira mu modoka bawutwara.
Gone before I could make out the license.
Bagiye ntarafata na plaque zabo.
No clues, no.
Bivuze ngo nta kimenyetso ufite nta makuru na make.
Didn't even get a glimpse of them.
Nta nubwo wababonye. Mukobwa.
How'd you first discover the list?
Iyo list ubundi wayibonye ute? Rwa rupapuro rurimo code.
It wasn't me.
Ntago ari njye waruvumbuye.
Who was it?
Ninde se?
My father.
Papa wanjye niwe waruvumbuye. Uyasoma kuri dunia yote uko ibibazo byiyongera. Wibutsa dunia yote irimo tombora.
When we go and see him.
Twagiye kureba sose akatubwira.
He's dead.
Papa wanjye yarapfuye.
They killed him.
Baramwishe. Gasani.
Sorry.
Wihangane. Papa yarapfuye.
The guy I thought was my best friend.
Umuhungu natekereza ko ari inshuti yanjye.
Turns out to be a traitor.
Byarangiye nawe ari umugambanyi.
He's now 6 feet under.
Ubu ngubu yanapfuye.
Can't even go home to my family because my ex-wife and daughter think I'm dead.
Ubu nta nubwo nataha mu rugo kuko wahoze ari umugore wanjye siko napfuye.
Nothing.
Nta kintu dufite natwe hano.
Not even the list.
Na list ubu ntayo dufite.
So that we can try to understand who's behind it.
Byibura iyo list tuyibonye twamenya ninde uri inyuma y'ibi bintu byose. Ya list irimo code ntayo gifite hano.
I have a copy.
Mfite kopi. Hey! Mfite kopi ya list. Ya list kode afite kopi. Uyu musore ni umuhanga. Kati yararenze kuba ari mugenzi wacu gusa n'umwe wapfuye. Yari inshuti. Kandi yari umwe mu ba mbere, kumbe ntabwo bazi ko yari umugambanyi, yishwe na Will Scott. Baravuga Kati. Ndabizi nicyo kintu cyanyuma ushaka gutekereza. Gusa famiye yawe tuzayitaho. Barabwira umugore we wapfuye. Ndetse hari n'amafaranga nyine yo kumufasha yabaye atanzwe yo kumushyingura. Umukozi wa FBI wapfuye. Nugira icyo ukenera, iyi niyo nimero yanjye bwite wampamagaraho. Pani y'akazi. Abonye abantu b'abasirimu aguha business card, nawo mwebwe murahura n'umuntu ngo fata telefone nkubwire nimero. Ngandika 07 kangahe. Asha. Witwa nde?
Tommy.
Nitwa Tommy, wapfuye arafite umwana.
Tommy, can you take care of your mom?
Tommy mama we wazamwitaho.
Boy.
Aho ni sawa. Tuzasubira. Kandi umuntu ahaguruka agenda, mwe umuntu ajya guhaguruka ugafata ibitoki ukabikaraga ukayamba. Papa yapfuye. Papa w'umwana. Katorori. Byose biraza kumera sawa. Ibyo bimaze kuba hari yaje hano. Abantu bakorera FBI no baracyari mu iperereza ryo bababwiye ngo baze kujya kuvugisha umugore wa Will Scott ngo bamubaze iby'umugabo we. Kuko aramashu babonye ariko babona none uwo muntu wagira ngo asa nka Will Scott ariko nabone babyemeye.
Let's go.
Ngino tugende.
What's wrong?
Kibazo ki?
What's wrong?
Kibazo ki?
You know what's wrong.
Ikibazo urakizi.
What are we even doing here?
Bundi turakurikirana.
We're here because our superiors wanted us to follow up.
Turi hano kuko abayobozi bacu batubwiye ngo twaze. Afande aba yabwiye ngo mugende mubaze madamu wa Will Scott nimba nta makuru y'umugabo kandi umugabo yarapfuye.
Who's still in mourning?
Tugiye kubaza umugore ukiri mugenda ko umugabo wapfuye.
News from her recently deceased.
Tumubaze ngese umugabo muraherukana kandi tubizi neza ko amaze iminsi apfuye. Urumva gushinyagura kurenza uko ari ukuye. Vayo tugende. Fande yavuze.
Let's go.
Tugende. Fande nimba avuze ubwo aba yavuze. Hari amashusho Fande yabonye bona nubwo atabonaga neza harimo ikintu cy'igihu n'iki. Vayo. Hako nino. Uyu nawe afitanye ikibazo n'umwana, bafitanye beef. Kana karakariye mama. Nibiri cyubyiri. Kana papa akamaze iminsi apfuye. Umugore afite umunzani mu nzu yewe muri kubona inyuma we. Cyewe. Vayo.
Miss Scott.
Madam Scott.
Soda, this is my partner, Agent Green.
Uyu ni Agent Green, turakorana.
You have a few questions.
Tugufite ibibazo biki?
What is this?
Hasibi ni biki?
Is my house the official FBI headquarters?
Inzu yanjye yabaye dikota FBI. Kuki?
I just spoke with 2 of your agents.
Simaze kuvugana n'abandi baturutse kuri FBI mu kanya aba agent.
Yes.
Yego.
2 agents just
Vuganye n'aba agent babiri bameze nk'abo.
by to ask me if you
Baje bambaza ibibazo nk'ibyo muje kumbaza.
you're here.
Ariko ubwo muri rero namwe reka mbabwire.
My ex-husband
Wowe ari umugabo wanjye.
Scott is
Will Scott yarapfuye.
No, I haven't seen him
Sindongera kumubona. Ntabwo nteka ko nzongera kumubona vuba.
unless the FBI believes in ghosts.
Kereka nimba FBI yizerera mu mizimu. Sasa FBI yarishe kukekeranya ivuga ati umugabo wawe uramuheruka. Basanze ari n'abandi baje kumubaza bataza bari.
So this was your father's copy?
Bivuze ngo niyo kopi ya papa wawe. Uyu mukobwa yari afite kopi.
But I always saw it as his death certificate.
Ati iyi papuro buri gihe nyibona nk'ari cyo cyatumye papa wanjye apfa. Cya gipapuro kirimo amakode.
Deciphering is my job, and this
Giye gukuramo kode no gusobanura ibintu nk'ibi niko kazi kanjye.
is my entire.
Ariko sindabona akazi gakomeye muri kariyeri yanjye yose nkaka. Bari kwinywera dunia yote.
Complicated.
None se niki kiri gutuma bigorana?
Okay.
Reba.
This.
Ibanu, urebe.
Each individual line
Buri muntu wese
responds with someone's name,
uri mano biba bihura n'izina ry'undi muntu.
but for each line I need to come up with a different method of deciphering.
Ndetse buri murongo wose ngezeho mba ngomba kuzana indi metode nshyashya yo gukuramo iyo code.
And I'm not even sure these are names.
Nta nubwo mba nzi neza nimba ari amazina y'abantu.
Is it these are
Nta nubwo mba nzi bino nimba ari amatariki bazapfiraho.
so
Nta nubwo biri ku murongo umwe.
is no usable or
ubwije kuri
pattern.
bino bintu biravanze.
How did you crack the first 3 names?
Amazina ya mbere so yamenye ute? Atatu.
Well, for each line,
kuri buri murongo
I have to try dozens of equations.
nageragezaga equation nyinshi cyane nka 12
Individual code separately.
ndetse na code yo ku ruhande nkabishakira equation mu buryo butandukanye biragoye.
Sorry. Help you if I was even remotely good.
nakagufashije iyo mva kuba ndi umuhanga mu mibare.
What is your line of work?
none so ukora iki?
I'm an interior designer.
Kiye nkora ndi interior design. Interior design nibyo akoramo. Designinga mu mazu iki ni cyane bakatsa. Ajon.
What's up?
Bimeze bite?
Sir, are you certain that there are no other departments besides
Ese na department iri kuri kino kirego cyacu?
I'm sure.
Ndabizi ntayo.
Is it CIA?
CIA.
CIA has other things to worry about.
CIA ifite ibindi bintu ihangayikiye.
NSA?
NSA.
We are the only ones on this.
Nitwe twenyine turi kuri iki kirego FBI.
Two unknown agents landing at Wilson.
None gutaba agent tutazi bagiye ku muryango wa Madame Scott bagiye kumubaza amakuru y'umugabo we.
To a T.
Sir, they asked her if she'd seen Will Scott.
Bari bagiye kubaza niba iruka kubona umugabo we.
That he was dead.
Yikangamo.
You get descriptions.
Bababwiye abo bantu ko bameze.
That's nearly half our staff.
Batubwiye ko bameze twumva si.
Stood out was one of the 2 detectives had a star tattoo.
Ngo gusaba agent babiri bagiye kumureba bari bafite inyenyeri tatuwaje y'inyenyeri ku kaboko. Byabishushanyo bishushanyo.
And at a 5th column.
Or our first direct contact with who's ever responsible for this list. If that was them, that's a bold move.
Nimba bari bo rero bagize bana abindi bakoze igikorwa kibi.
Seen the crack is why was.
Ese kuki bari kugenda kuri Will Scott? Ni umuntu bari bagiye kwihera akazi gusa umunyakira kutari uri no mu kirego. Uzi gukuramo amakode gusa. Kubera iki Will Scott bamushaka dore nguyu. No gukoresha intoki ebyiri. No kwandikisha amakaramu abiri. Nakubwiye ngo bino bintu bisaba ubwenge gukoresha umutwe. Nabonye abantu benshi bakoresha umutwe. Bavugana n'umukobwa ati "Sheri ko nshaka kujya gukoresha umutwe." Wamaye amafaranga bivuze ngo ntago abasanzwe menya gukoresha we. Mujye mukoresha umutwe mutekereza wana. Umutwe mugenda ahubwo bawusukura ariko umutwe ntago bawukoresha bageze muri saro gusa.
It's been going in circles all night.
Ijoro ryose naraye nzenguruka yandika byisubiramo nyine bimucanga ntago ari ukuzenguruka agenda. Ari gutangira nyine ikibazo kigatangira bushya.
Should get some rest, huh?
Waruhutse sibigeze nka saa 7 zibura saa 10 z'ijoro.
I found a few extra clothes.
Hano hari imyenda nari mpabonye.
It's all that I could find that was left of my father's.
Niyo ya papa nari mbonye isigaye hari wajya yambara mw'iyi minsi.
Do you need anything else?
Hari ikindi kintu waba ukeneye?
No.
Oya.
Okay.
Katorori. Yeah.
Good night.
Ramuke.
Good night.
Ramuke. Ni umukobwa bari kubana mw'iyi minsi.
Can I come in?
Ninjire akana karakariye mama.
Is everything all right?
Mbese neza mwana wanjye arabaza akana karababaye. Baby.
Leave me alone.
Wanitse njyenyine.
You can't stay mad at me forever, you know.
Mommy?
Mama.
Yeah, baby?
Can you lie next to me? Just for tonight?
Mama iri joro wanjyamira iruhande basi. Kana disi. Byagacanze. Kasabye mama kukaraza. Muri iryo joro nawe yaraye hano mu ntebe. Ntebe filime. Nabizi.
You're not the only one who's been having a hard time falling asleep.
Mwana wanjye ntabwo ari wenyine ufite ibibazo byo gusinzira muri kano kanya. Nanjye birangoye.
Why does Daddy's parents never come to see us?
Ese ababyeyi ba papa kuki bataje kudusura?
Wow.
Nyine.
You know, Daddy's parents gotten very...
Ababyeyi ba papa wawe barashaje cyane.
Sometimes when people get old,
kandi abantu bashaje,
their bodies can tend to get weak.
Imibiri yabo iragenda ikamenya ntege nke.
All the way out in Oklahoma.
Kandi urabizi batuye muri Oklahoma.
So, unfortunately,
ikibabaje,
they've gotten so weak they can't come visit us.
babaye bananyantege nke ku buryo batabasha kugera ngo badusure.
Oh, why don't we go visit them?
Twese kuki tutajya kubasura? Ikibazo. Nimba bataza kudusura. Ahubwo icyo gitekerezo ni cyiza. Uyu yafashe ya telefone sasa. Ni ya telefone yakuye kuri wa mugabo wapfuye. Ni Kati. Kati yari umugambanyi yakoranaga n'abagambanyi. Ndetse yaragiye kumujyana wa ndori inshuti ye. Yarayariba muri telefone. Uyu nawe ari hano n'umwana. Uyu yarabyuka. Muri iryo joro. Yeah. Zani iyi telefone areba ahantu yayihisha, aza kora hano ni telefone ashaka kureba ahantu yayihisha. Iyi telefone yayambuye umugabo wavuganaga n'abamutumye uyu. Telefone ndayitsimba. Tsimba mu telefone hano munsi y'intebe. Ari kubana n'umukobwa atazi.
I know, I'm sorry to bother you so late.
Bare kukubangamira bwije. Na fund FBI.
Things aren't good to hear.
Ibintu ntako bimeze neza hano.
No, I'm not putting the full blame on you.
Ntabwo nshaka kubigushyira byose ngo mbikurenganyirize.
But that was your tip that led us there, and God knows if I didn't listen to you, my agents would still be alive.
Buri cyuma ya makuru habereka amaraso. Iyo nabikora ngo nkumvire abayagent bandi bari kubakira bazima.
I want you to know what's going on.
Ndashaka kumenya nibiki bijya mbere hano.
People are asking questions and I could get in a lot of trouble.
Mbere yuko nisanga mu bindi bibazo.
To know if maybe there's something you're hiding from me.
Ndashaka kumenya niba nta kintu uri kumisha uyu nafande we FBI sinzi nitari guhamagara. Ninde?
No.
Oya.
Listen, calm down.
Bantu nyumva ariko tuzi.
You've been very hard to get a hold of ever since the
Kuva ryaturika ryaba biragoye ku muntu yaguhamagara nga kubone.
I mean, very
convenient. None ngo nguhamagaye bigacamo ni sawa hano harundi uri gukuramo code. Uyu muyobozi wa FBI. Okay.
Well, I need to see you.
Okay, nyeneye kukubona. Afungura ngufu hano. Ejo tubonane.
Same place.
Yego ahandi dusanzwe duhurira.
Okay.
Bari bahurira.
Good.
Byiza.
See you then.
Tuze kubona nayo noneho. Uyu nafande wa FBI. Wibuke ni nawe bahaye amakuru y'ahantu bira byose byari binakira gipapuro cyari kiri yanze kuvuga uwamuhaye amakuru. Gaturori. Barakwereka. Ibyo byarabaye akana kagaruka ku ishuri. Papa yarapfuye akana muri iyi minsi nago kameze neza. Karababaye. Ni ka Ana. Gusa papa agira gutya buri kabonye akanya. Basa kibeta buriya. Papa kaza ku ishuri kurunguruka areba akana uko kameze. Azareba akana kameze gute? Kana karababaye. Na kabayaga. Nya. Kana guhindukira gutya papa. Kabonye papa. Cyewe papa rishe. Tugaruke hano.
I got 9 dead agents now.
Mfite abayagent 9 bapfuye. Bitewe n'ahantu wambwiye ngo na warehouse wandangiye. Umukozi mubi yarenganye ibikoresho bye. Nanjye ubwo ari amakuru nari nishize mu kangaratete. Ariko abishyuye ubuzima bwabo n'aba agent banje niwo muhaye amakuru y'umusaza.
I can't seem to shake this feeling of regret. Like
ni gute numva buri munota ndi kwicuza.
I did something bad. Like somehow this.
Hari ngiye wakoze ikintu kiba makosa yanjye. Robert.
We don't always regret the bad things we do.
Ntabwo iteka twicuza ibintu bibi dukora.
But sometimes we regret things we do.
Twicuza ibintu byiza dukorera abantu babi. Ibaza ariko. hari igihe ngo twicuza ibintu byiza dukorera abantu babi aho kwicuza ibintu bibi twakoze nabyo birashoboka ntabwo buri gihe wahora wicuza ibintu bibi wakoze n'igihe wicuza ibintu byiza wakoreye abantu babi ese hari ikintu utari kumbwira
That's insulting.
mbese muri kunuka
I need to know.
nkeneye kumenya
You're behaving as if we have no history.
uri kwitwara nkaho nta mateka dufitanye mwana
I'm trying to solve a case.
ndi kugerageza gukemura ikirego kiri hano uyu ni wa FBI uyu niwe muhaye amakuru y'ahantu hari rwa rwandiko hari n'ikihebe barahageze barahaturikira
That it was important.
Yeah, but did you know?
Robert, I want answers as much as you do.
cye ntabwo nari mfite ibisubizo nk'ibyo ushaka
Can you help me solve this or not?
fasha rero kino kibazo tugikemure cyangwa umbwire niba bidashoboka
Desperation is...
guta umutwe ntabwo bikubereye
Clay, just answer my
Listen
question.
to me.
nyumva ariko nyumva
You have brought nothing to the table.
ubundi we nta n'ikintu wanzaniye
Favors.
usibye ko waraje kunsaba faveri
I give you a tip. It's
naguhaye amakuru
want answers.
kubera aribyo bisubizo nari mfite nanjye nashakaga ibisubizo yamuhaye amakuru ahantu kiriya kibiri kiriya gihebe cyari kiri n'ariya amadokima
Just do your job.
rero ugenda ukora akazi kawe
If you do it right, we'll both get
akazi nugakora neza twese turabona icyo dushaka
Which is?
peace of mind.
icyo dushaka kandi ni amahoro yo mu mutwe nta kirenzeho uyu niwe murangiye ati ikihebe kiri hano agiye yohereza aba agent we dutangira filime
Will Scott.
ese umugabo bita Will Scott waba umuzi Will Scott uramuzi niyo magambo yamubajije uriya mugabo bari bagiye guha akazi ko gukuramo kode
Match. The marking on the victim's prosthesis corresponds with your hospital. Your
sasa cya kihebe bakibonyemo ko cyari gifite insimburangingo bagicometsemo ati twasanze uwo mugabo ari hano yafuriwe mwatwereka amadosiye ye bakamenya imyirondoro y'icyo kihebe kuko imyirondoro cyagenderago n'indi muntu cyari cyaribye ariko siriyo namba bagisanzemo yari kuri ya nsimburangingo mu mubiri igaragaza ko cyavuga muri ibitaro
But that's not the issue.
ikibazo rero ntabwo ari icyo
Somehow we lost the file and I have
amadosiye y'uwo murwayi twarayabuze ntituzi aho yagiye
over the place.
ariho imyirondoro y'icyo kigabo
How is that possible?
bishoboka bite
I don't have the answer to that.
nta gisubizo mfite cy'icyo kibazo madamu
I'm a surgeon,
genda umubazi
not a records keeper.
ntabwo ndubika amadosiye ntabwo ari records keeper
Failure to
we
you.
ni surgeon none se uyu muntu uramwibuka umwerekana icya kigabo sasu mu bitaro hey jya hasi bitaro yaje kubazamo amakuru n'amadosiye ya cya kihebe kivurijemo bamenye amazina yacyo kimwe twatangiye kirasa mujye hasi n'ubu ntibaramenya imyirondoro yacu akiri mu bitaro yumvishe amasasu ibitaro hamagara 911 iyo ni nimero ya polisi gatururi bebe hey uyu ni Riz Kasani uraza kumera sawa uyu bamurasiye kwa muganga komeza imbere numva aho uri dore urashe uyarakurikira urashe mu bitaro shaho aco hey bisa nkaho bano bantu babakurikirana wari ugiye kubaza amakuru y'ikihebe ibibaye ku bitaro murabibonye naho habaye kurasana ariya amadosiye cyangwa se kiriya gipapuro twabonye cyanditse mu makode menya ibiri hatari byiza na gato katururi
There's a doctor.
muganga ari hehe
Where's Dr. Cotty?
muganga Koti ari hehe wa muganga yari ari kuvugisha umwirabura umwe ufite amakuru avuga ati umuntu
The doctor?
muganga uramubonyera nyagasani muganga yisaburirwa irengero nawe bisa nk'aho bano bagizi ba nabi cyangwa babiri inyuma kubamenya kizira katururi hey akonini
You're back.
uragarutse
I see you're wearing your new clothes.
ndabona wambaye imyenda mishyashya
Suits you.
irakubereye
Thank you.
urakoze
I was worried.
nari mpangayitse
I really don't think you should be roaming around.
ntabwo nkeka ko ukwiye gukomeza uzenguruka hirya no hino muri karitsiye
Where were you?
wari uri hehe
Said get out, get some air.
nari ngiye gufata akayaga
Dropped into my daughter's school.
nca no ku ishuri ry'umukobwa wanjye
You have a daughter?
ufite umukobwa
Said to check on her, make sure she was okay.
nari ngiye kureba ko umukobwa wanjye ameze neza
You know, you could have put her life in danger.
ubuzima bw'umukobwa wawe nabwo ushobora kubushyira mu kangaratete
Could have seen you.
hagize umuntu ukubona
I miss her.
nari mukumbuye
And she's everything.
kandi umukobwa wanjye ni buri kimwe
Without her, this I mean, the whole world means nothing.
umukobwa wanjye adahari byose bisobanuye ubusa.
She's my little angel.
Ni marayika wanjye muto.
I mean, she's tough, but she has a heart of gold, like.
Mwana wanjye arakomeye afite umutima wa zahabu.
Like I've never seen in another person before.
Nigeze mbona n'undi muntu wari wese.
She's the only thing keeping me going.
Ndetse umwana wanjye ni ukomeje kumbeshaho. Aravuga umukobwa we. Nyawo. Yakuza abamani hako nino. Yashan.
The prosthesis we found in Alex Mays' upper right shoulder turns out to be a dead end.
Yansimbura ngingo twasanze muri mugabo. Byabaye nk'ari ryo herezo minya nta yandi makuru ye tuzongera kubona.
We provided them.
Sounds like someone made sure the records of Alex Mays' surgery were erased before we could track him.
Bisa nkaho uriya mugizi wa nabi yabanje gusibanganya ibimenyetso by'uwo mugabo Alex Mays mbere yuko tuhagera. Alex Mays yimyiri ku kirakiye bakitaga ariko nayo ni imyirondoro cyari cyaribye.
He's a good man.
Kati wapfuye ari umuntu mwiza.
Seemed like he was acting a little strange before his accident.
Ariko mbere yuko iriya manuka iba yapfiremo Kati yari ari kwitwara mu buryo budasanzwe.
Started keeping to himself.
Bisa nkaho ari ikintu cyari kiri kumurangaza cyangwa kumubangamira akabyihererana.
That was bullshit.
I guess.
Kurt was never an introvert.
Kati ntabwo yajyaga yihererana amakuru.
Somebody scared him.
Bisa nkaho ari umuntu wamuteye ubwoba.
Who verified the identity?
Ubundi tubanze tumenye Kati ajya gupfa yarakurikiye Will Scott yanamugambani.
Please just be done with this shit.
Done with it? Are you listening to yourself?
Bino tube tubyihuri uri kwiyumva ariko ngo tube tubyihuri.
9 agents have died. What?
Aba agent icyenda bapfiriye kuri iki kirego gusa.
That has to be an all-time.
Ndetse bizahoraho igihe cyose icyo gihombo tugize muri iyi biro yacu.
We've barely made any progress.
Noneho nta hantu turi kujya mbega ntaho bari kuva naho bari kujya kuri iki kirego ngo bavuge ngo wenda bari gusatira.
I have lost some of my closest friends from this case. You don't trust me about being done with it.
Naburi inshuti zanjye za hafi muri iki kirego. Ntumbwire ngo tukiveho.
I agree with you.
Turemeranya ariko. Turemeranya. Wisi. Turi kumwe. Oya. Umukobwa yarakaye.
You think this isn't hard for me?
Urakeka nje ntabwo bingoye.
Those were my best.
Buriya bose bapfuye nanjye bari inshuti zanjye.
My family.
Bari bameze nka famiye.
And you.
Kandi nawe.
I care about you.
Erega nawe nkwitaho Liz.
I want you to know I'm here. If you need anything.
Ndetse mba ngira ngo umenye ko mpari igihe cyose wagira icyo ukenera. Nabakorana. Dusubire mu kazi.
Have you seen Robert?
Robert wamubonye.
He was here earlier today.
Yarari hano kare. Ntabwo wamubonye. Uyu kurebamo hano. Byabacanze. Ntaho bari kujya ku kirego cyabo ngo bavuge ngo wenda aro bari gukeka, hari aho bari kugana wapi. Kirego gisa nk'icyabacanze cyahagarariye hamwe. Yo. Ikirego cyabo cyose gisa nk'igishingiye ku gipapuro kirimo amakode. Icyo gipapuro dore ngiki. Uyakomeje gukuramo kode agerageza.
We've been at this for hours. How about a dinner break?
Tumaze amasaha turi muri ibi twagiye kurya. Oya.
Scarlett, just give me something.
You need it.
Scarlett wagize icyuma.
What I need to do is crack this code.
Reka no code mbanze nyikuremo.
Suit yourself.
Okay.
I'm gonna order a pizza.
Reka ntume pizza. Reka ntume pizza muri restaurant bita Gift. Niho bagira pizza nziza hariya mu mujyi buriya. Breakfast cyo kurya cya saa sita ibintu byose ubundi ni muri Gift.
Million Scarletts in the United States. Without
Baje kubona izina ryitwa Scarlett kandi ba Scarlett ni nka miliyoni nyinshi cyane bitwa gutyo muri Amerika. Baje kubona izina rimwe ryitwa Scarlett.
Why don't you move on to the next one and jump around?
Ngo tumusimbuke rero.
Because it's a person, Claire.
Uyu ni umuntu.
Just jump around this.
Umuntu ntabwo bamusimbuka.
How many names are on the list?
Ese yo list y'abantu bangana iki? Ni list y'abantu bazicwa.
Well, if each line corresponds with a person, then 26.
Bashobora kuba ari abantu 26.
Are already dead.
Bane muri bari kuba bamaze gupfa.
The list primarily consists of
iyi list iriho Kilatini,
Pharaonic,
ikirimi cyo kwa Bafarawo,
Arabic,
icyarabu cya kera,
Chinese symbols,
ibimenyetso by'Abashinwa byose biriho.
Here, these symbols, those are Mayan.
Iki kirimi ni icy'Abamayani.
Celtic, to be precise.
Ndetse na Jakatel.
How do you know?
Ubizi ute?
I studied Mayan architecture.
Nize Mayan architecture.
You're counting these.
Bino mu bibara gute? Mukobwa nabonyemo ibyazi.
What numerical classifier are you using?
Mbwira numerical classifier muri gukoresha hano.
Well.
What?
Rebe.
It's flat. The list, it's flat.
urabona iyi list ibisa nk'ibitambitse uravuga iki
In the Celtic language,
iyo uri kusoma ikimi cy'abacakatani
different numerical classifier when counting flat.
ukoresha uburyo ibintu bitambitse mu rwego rwo kubara imibare yabo cy'imbere ko gatangira kumusobanurira ashyiramo hano barebe buryo cy'ibintu byabara babibaramo.
What are you doing?
Just
Okay.
yandika hano W komeza kureba do biramufasha komeza kugira
you're a genius.
wa mukobwa ufite ubwenge we biri gukora
Watkins?
Scarlett Watkins.
Bingo.
Okay, where do you live, Scarlett Watkins?
atuye hehe amakuru batangiye kuyabona. Scarlett Watkins zina bararibonye, zina barikuyemo.
You have your own law firm in North Hollywood.
uyu mugabo mu majyaruguru ya Hollywood afite cabinet d'avocat ye baramubonye. Reka bari we tujya kureba n'undi uri kuri list, kandi iyi ni hit list twabonye. Ni list abantu bose bari bagomba gukwicwa. Babonye witwa ngo Scarlett Watkins bahise bamenya ko afite cabinet d'avocat mu majyaruguru ya Hollywood, niho bagiye kujya. Tuvera tugaruke hano ku cyicaro cya FBI bano nabo batonganyemo.
Hey.
We yeri kunywa niyoko n'itabi bita niyoko nabonye mu Rwanda ryarahageze nari biri cyane.
Quit.
Nari nzi ko waretse itabi.
I did.
Yego narariretse.
Not starting up again.
Ntabwo ngiye kurisubira. Karakanyuma.
Look,
Va.
I'm sorry.
Mbabarire.
I shouldn't have lashed out on you. I was
Ntabwo nakabaye nakubwanukiye ngo utonganye.
angry, I should say.
Nari mfite ubwoba cyangwa se narakaye sinzi ko nabivuga.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
There's something you should know.
Hari ikintu ufite kumenya.
Should have told you sooner.
Nakabaye narakikubwiye na mbere.
What's going on?
Ibiki bijya mbere.
You know, I paid a visit to the orthopedic center earlier.
Nasuye ryavuriro kare.
And you told me that was a dead end?
Wambwiye ko ariho birangiriye ariko byaducanze.
Yes and no.
Birashoboka cyane binashoboka.
Care to elaborate on that?
Wansobanurira neza.
Promise me.
Sezeranya.
Stays between us.
Kubiri bigume hagati yanjye nawe.
I don't know who I can trust anymore.
Ubu ntabwo nzi undi muntu nakwizera ubu nona.
I know I can trust you.
Urabizi we nakwizera sibyo? Rebe. Ako nino. Bano no haro bamaze kumenya. Uko bwara amakuru ngo yabonye. Bano bahise baza hano.
Okay, here we are.
Urabizi. Ni mu rugo rwo babonye kuri list. Bisa nk'ari ugomba gukurikira mu bagomba gupfa.
Access to her cell phone, we're going to need everything. Emails, text,
Turaza gukirira email, message,
social media,
imbuga nkoranyambaga zabo.
everything on my desk.
Mu masaha abiri byose mbibone ku meza yanjye.
What's the latest?
Mugeze he?
We mapped out every possible whereabout Will frequented leading up to his disappearance.
Turi kugerageza guhuza ahantu hose afite aho hahuriye n'uriya mugabo ko yabuzemo.
Nothing on that end.
We visited his old place and found out from his ex-wife about him moving out a few months back. Unfortunately,
Twasuye umugore w'uriya mwigizi wa nabi dusanga yaragiye kwimuka.
And we used the database of over 24 real estate agencies in Los Angeles, linking the name Will Scott to rental agreements, and the results were positive. We haven't addressed.
Ndetse Will Scott twamaze kumenya n'ahantu yari atuye.
as of yet.
All right, let's go. Come on, right now.
Aturere bahita bacaho.
Do me a favor. Turn this place upside.
Umva uraho hantu nimuhagera urugo rwose mu rushyire hasi mbega mu rusake buri nguni yose.
There, I saw him.
Genda arahira nabonye papa.
Listen,
Ana.
I know this has been
Wa mwana ndabizi bino bintu birakugoye.
difficult for me to
Ariko nanjye birangoye kana kari kubwira mama ngo nabonye papa uyu munsi.
accept the truth about your father. The sooner you can start healing.
Nuko utarakira neza ngo utangire kwakira ko papa yapfuye ariko nawe wabonye.
Sometimes
rimwe na rimwe
things can play tricks on us.
ubwonko nabwo bujya budushuka
In times of sadness.
cyane cyane mu gihe cy'akababaro hari igihe ubona umuntu we wapfuye ukongera ukamubona
Because one day we'll be able to smile and be happy again when we think of
usihangana umunsi umwe tuzongera tubashe guseka
It's just gonna take some time, baby.
gusa bizatwara igihe baby
How much time?
igihe kingana iki se
Well, that depends.
bizaterwa
But I know talking about it definitely helps.
I just don't want to talk about the sad things.
Okay. We can talk about the good things.
cyese nshaka tuganira ibintu bibabaje okay tuganira ibintu byiza
Let's tell each other what we miss most about you.
reka no twese tuganire tubwirane icyo buri umwe akumbuye kuri papa
Things.
ariko ibintu byiza gusa sibyo ngo nibyo bagiye kuganira umbwire ibintu byiza ukumbuye kuri papa wawe wapfuye nanjye ngubwire mama n'umwana
I'll go first.
reka mbanze kugerageza kwikura mu gahinda
I miss his laugh.
nkumbuye ukuntu papa wawe yasekaga
Your turn.
nawe mbwira icyo ukumbuye kuri so
I miss the goofy eyes he would make at me sometimes.
njye nkumbuye ukuntu yajyaga akaraga amaso ye rimwe na rimwe akigira gutya turi gutera story
Really good at this.
yari abishoboye
Pancakes.
ndetse na pancake yatekaga mama yarakurushaga kuziteka wakagoryiwe baraganira
Does this help?
biri kugufasha
Yeah.
yego narumiwe uburere ukuntu butangwa hano hanze
Anything.
Even if it sounds crazy.
ibintu byose tubiganira byaba ari ubusazi
Sounds crazy.
umugore yitwa Leya umugabo yaje hano urebe filime dore aho yaje mbere na mbere yaje mu rugo rwe
Your daughter, she's cute.
umukobwa we ni mwiza yabanje kuza mu rugo rwe kandi FBI yamaze kumenya urugo uyu mugabo yabagamo mbere
Just in case.
amaze gutandukana n'umugore we ngo urugo yagiye kubamo nirwo yabanje gucamo abanza apakira ibyo apakira ubundi ajye kureba uwo mugabo babonye ugiye gukurikira mu bicwa bajye kumureba nyuma
Who's that?
uwo ninde ari bumvishe Hey! mu nzu ye FBI yahamenye kandi bazi ko uyu mugabo yapfuye muri filime bizi twagiye
Emergency exit.
FBI yavuze ati inzu ye baze bayicurike bamenye akantu ku kandi hari abinjiye hano mu rugo rwe rwa Will Scott yatandukanye n'umugore bataza kurubamo dore nguyu
That door's supposed to be locked.
uyu muryango wakagombye kuba ari ufunze
Something's up.
harimo ikibazo hano hantu harimo ikibazo dore umugabo ari gucika Hey! nta muntu umwe wo kwizera uwo yagerageje guhamagara wo muri FBI w'inshuti ye yashatse kumwiyicira ntanswe bano none hatanazi batari inshuti ze bo muri FBI umugabo ari kuba kwipa nta muntu umwe ashaka amenya ko akiri muzima ataramenya ibyiriya lisiti bimeze bite abantu bazi ko yapfuye inzu ye bayigezemo ari kumanuka na wa mukobwa gatururi ya umugabo cisheni
Clear?
meze sawa
I'm good.
njye meze sawa ndumva nta muntu urimo hano gatururi sasa urebye hano wibuka uriya mugabo bajya kumufata FBI nta ya lisiti irimo kode bari bagifite umugabo yari yarayigiye arayifotora yose amakode abimanika ku gikuta cye dore ngo barabigwaho
It's up on the fridge.
iyi foto yari imanitse kuri firigo torerwa ya kode ngo barongere bakayibona ya makode
Check this out.
reba hakuno ino
Look at this.
reba hano reba hano barabibonye FBI yari yabuze kode ngo imenye n'aho ihera ikurikirana ikirego barasibonye kode rwa rupapuro bongeye kurubona hey
I think we're back in business.
ndakeka tugarutse muri bizinesi byibura ubu ngubu babona aho bahera bagakurikirana ikirego ubwo babonye ya dokima iyi ni lisite iriho abantu bose bagomba gupfa n'amatariki bazapfira hey bimeze bite bano bahise bafotora babijyane kuri FBI barebe ko babikemura ndaje mu kanya
aho wagiye ntabwo bisanzwe mu mujyi wa Kigali kuko kuri ubu aho wakirira inshuti mugasangira mwisanzuye hafunguye imiryango, ariko kandi ni ngombwa ngo nawe ubwawe wifate neza usohokera ahantu hagezweho muri Kigali habereye ijisho, aho witegeye ibikorerwa mu murwa mukuru w'u Rwanda. Mwabamenye nka Gift Supermarket kwa Rubangura, ubu noneho hagezweho Gift Restaurant, aho serivisi ubaziho kuvira izina warimenya zigenda zihinduka zaguka kandi zinarushaho kunogera abahagana, yaba ari breakfast, lunch, pizza, coffee, juice cocktails ndetse n'agasembuye byose ni standard. Dusange mu mujyi rwagati mu nyubako ya Kigali City Tower hariranga kuko hari terrace irahirengeye mu mitako ibereye ijisho. Duhamagare kuri 0788 tugukorere home delivery cyangwa booking.
Amahirwe koko asa rimwe mu buzima. Uwazanye ikinyobwa duniya yote yegereje abanyarwanda andi mahirwe. Tombora iby'agaciro binyuze mu kinyobwa duniya yote. Banyarwanda banyarwandakazi bakunze b'ikinyobwa cyacu, aya mahirwe ntabacike. Mu gihe cyose uguze ikinyobwa cyacu uramenye ntujugunye umufuniko, kuko ariho hibereye amahirwe 1000 yo kuba watsindira ibintu by'agaciro nka televiziyo, telefone, decoder za Canal Plus, amagare, casque za moto n'ibindi byinshi. Icyo usabwa nta kindi, wowe nyarukira ahacuruzwa ibinyobwa hose mu gihugu maze wisabira ikinyobwa duniya yote, nawe winjire mu bandi banyamahirwe. Nyamuneka aya mahirwe ntabacike, kuko ab'inkwakuzi ibya mbere batangiye kubyibikaho. Duniya yote, genda waziye igihe koko.
Jya wicara mu nshuti zawe bakavuga uruzungu ntugire na kimwe utoramo, nuko hari ibanga bakurushije utamenye. Bagutanze kumenya ishuri Action Driving and Language School. Reka nanjye nkwibira ibanga, gana ishuri ryacu Action Driving and Language School ubashe kwivugira indimi nk'uwavukiyeyo: Igifaransa, Icyongereza, Igiswahili n'Igishinwa. Kuri baba ndi mwifuza kujya mu mahanga namwe tubafite impamyabumenyi cyangwa se certificate nka TOEFL, IELTS, na TEF. N'abakeneye kwiga computer ntago twabibagiwe. Action Driving and Language School kwigisha amategeko y'umuhanda ku bashaka provisoire, kwigisha gutwara ibinyabiziga ku bashaka perime kandi mu gihe gito. Wadusanga mu mujyi wa Kigali mu nyubako ya Shike muri etage ya mbere umuryango 45C, cyangwa se ukaduhamagara kuri 078 72 46 268. Waba